18 balls. It's a very gettable target, and the captain Akhil has done his job. Ashwin is the new man in the middle of the crease, and Sachin Joshi is still holding fort. The next game is going to be between Kerala and Mumbai, but this one is the one that's going right down to the wire.
Still one ball left. That's going to be a free hit. Last delivery was a no ball, and this time it's Joshi just falling one bounce to the fielder. That's the end of the over as well. 80 for 1 now. There's going to be Indrashish who's going to bowl the last over of this. In fact, 3 overs left from here on, but he's picked up that wicket as well. The wicket of Akhil goes out for 43. That's played on the onside in the gap. That's racing away. That's going to be a 4.
Well, 14 runs, needed of 17 balls. And it's Mohan who was struck for that boundary. Well, definitely a very good strike. Getting closer to their target and getting closer to their target in style. It's Christmas Eve, festivities are in the air, and the crowd just cannot stop rooting for their favorite player. This is how the crookie crumbles, and this is Sachin Joshi. Remember, the man has been in the middle of the crease since the beginning, and he's played that big, and it's going to go for a boundary.
Now he's taken charge. Sachin has taken charge. Lot of bottom hand in that stroke, playing in the direction of mid-wicket, picking up the length. You can't be bowling length deliveries at this stage. You either have to vary your pace, slide those slow deliveries, bowl in the block hole. You can't be bowling length deliveries. The 11th 4 of this innings. Sachin moving on to 41 now of 26 deliveries. They're closing in now. Telugu Warriors. This 10 required of 16.
Well, it's the second game for the Bengal team. They had already warmed up in the afternoon rather, and they won their first game, and it's a big shot. Will it go all the way or will it fall short? Well, again, a sloppy piece of fielding. But nevertheless, they will get 2 runs to bring down the target to 8 runs in 15 balls. A very gettable target. They've made no mistakes. Clinical is the word, if I may use, for the batting, and the kind of gumption and grit that the Warriors have shown in the middle out there.
I think the impetus was provided by Akhil. Once again, not able to go pick up that cleanly, resulting in a couple of runs. Already 10 runs from the over. Another good over for the Telugu Warriors. It's 8 required now. Goes on the onside. Not great bowling. That's going to race away. Just 4 required. 1 strike away. Telugu Warriors from win this game.
Well, it's a cakewalk from here, and the idea would be to get to the target within this over and not let it spill it over to the 9th or perhaps the 10th over. And Sachin Joshi making no mistakes, going for the kill, going for the jugular in style. And Mohan, not very lucky, not a time to be bowling length deliveries. It's a lost cause, and it's pretty visible and pretty palpable from the body language that we can see.
I think gripping the ball is an issue. That's the reason he's holding it cross seam at the moment. That should be a wide. Earning in his line. He's not able to control it. He's trying to bowl cross seam. Mohan. Not getting the length right. Didn't have a great start. Conceding a couple of boundaries. The Telugu Warriors supporters looking very, very happy of the way they are progressing in this game.
Well, that's a big one. Will it go all the way and seal the deal? That it has. The Telugu Warriors have won the match by 9 wickets. What an innings, and what a great shot to conclude this fabulous innings by Sachin Joshi, who stuck it out in the middle with his captain. Congratulations to the Telugu Warriors.
And getting his 50 as well. 53 for Sachin Joshi, 53 of 29. Akhil has well played a very important part, getting 43. The this pair has done a wonderful job. Telugu Warriors won this game by 9 wickets. A big comprehensive win for them. Still 2.1 overs to spare as well. So it's been a very, very good performance. It's never easy chasing a big score or a run rate of around 10, but this is the winning shot. Going for the pull shot, good connection. He was looking for that big stroke to get to his 50 as well, and that's exactly what Sachin does. So winning in style, Telugu Warriors, and winning by 9 wickets. It's been a very impressive win. Although credit to Bengal Tigers as well, they batted well, scoring 97 runs, but the run chase was very, very good as far as Telugu Warriors are concerned. Handshakes all round, but really the star has been Sachin Joshi and Akhil. The way they batted, that partnership was very valuable from the point of view of Telugu Warriors. Exactly what they wanted. Experienced campaigners, both of them, and this is the batting card. The top order, the openers doing a fantastic job, laying a good platform, 53 unbeaten in the end for Sachin Joshi. Akhil getting 43 of 20 deliveries, and in 7.5 overs they got 101 for the loss of just 1 wicket. 5 extras as well in that score. So just 1 wicket, and that came for Indrashish. Mohan was very expensive. 5 deliveries, conceding 21 runs. Vivek conceding 14 runs. Manti was bowling well in the first over, but overall the only successful bowler was Indrashish. So story of the match, match number 3 going to Telugu Warriors. Bengal Tigers win the toss, batting first, putting on 97 for 4 in 10 overs, and Telugu Warriors a very good reply by them, 101 for 1. Sachin getting a half century and Akhil contributing 43. So in the end, Telugu winning by 9 wickets.